With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, question is a body is moving in a vertical circle of radius r, please make a correction, this is small r, by a string, if the ratio of the maximum to minimum speed is root 3 over root 3 is to 1, the ratio of maximum to minimum tension in the string is. Okay, so let's solve this question. So first of all, we will take a vertical circle to understand this more better. This is a vertical circle. All right, this has a radius of small r. Okay, and now let's define some quantities like the velocities at the lowest and the highest point. So let v1 and v2 be the velocities at the lowest, that is here, and the highest, that is here. The velocities at lowest and highest points, that means v1 over v2, this is equals to root 3 over 1. Okay, now we will conserve the energy between the lowest point, that is here, and the highest point, that is here. Now we are applying conservation of energy at the lowest and the highest point. Conserving energy between the lowest and highest points. Okay, so that will be v1 square is equals to v2 square plus 2 into g into h. This will be 3 times v1 square, 3 times v2 square is equals to v2 square plus 2gh. Now uh, v2 square is equals to g into h, and v1 square is equals to 3gh. Now h is the distance between the lowest and the highest point, that is 2r, of course. That means, let me show you, this distance, this is h, that is equals to 2r. Now uh, tension at the lowest point and the highest point that we will determining. So let's define that for the lowest point, tension at lowest point is T1 at lowest. Lowest point, and T2 at highest point. Alright, so T1 is equals to mv1 square over r plus mg. Okay, so let's understand this, how this came. This will be the point at the center, and this will be the string, and let's say this is some point mass. Okay, so there will be some centripetal force as well, and the gravity is always there. Okay, so that is how this equation came. And similarly, T2 is equals to mv1 square over r minus mg, since in opposite direction. Okay, so just make a correction. This is t1 is for lowest point we have taken t2, and for highest point we have taken t1. Just make this correction. Okay, so yeah, this will be our equation. So now we'll simply divide t1 over t2. This will be v1 square over r plus g over v2 square over r minus g. This will give us 6gr over r plus g, 2gr over r minus g. After solving this, we will get t1 over t2 equal to 7 over 1. That means our ratio is 7:1. Hence option 3 will be our final answer.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.